I'll show you 3 simple ways to add another image to your project in Photopea. The first method is to go to the File menu at the top and select Open and Place. Choose the image from your folder, and it will open as a new layer in your existing project. The second method is even easier. Just open the folder on your computer and drag and drop the image directly into the Photopea workspace. The new image will automatically be added as its own layer. The third method is perfect if you want to add another image from the internet. Go to the File menu, hover over Open More, and select Open from URL. Search for the image you want, copy the URL, and paste it into the text field. You can choose to open the image as a new project or add it as a layer to your current project. In this case, we'll add it as a new layer. Click OK, and the image will appear as its own layer in your project. And that's how you add another image in Photopea. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.